The silence feels peaceful until your brain starts filling it with noise, thoughts, memories, anxiety you didn't invite. Silence isn't calm for the human brain. It's a trigger. Your brain evolved to listen for danger. In total silence, it stays alert, waiting. That's why you wake up suddenly. Your heart races at night. Sleep feels light and fragile, not because you're broken, but because your brain is doing its job. The solution isn't less sound. It's the right sound. White noise or any soothing sound works by giving your brain something safe to hold on to. It masks sudden disruptions. It smooths sharp sounds. It tells your nervous system, you're safe now. You don't need to focus. You don't need to listen closely. Just let the sound exist in the background while your brain slowly powers down. If your mind usually races at night, leave this playing. Rain, wind, stillness with texture. Your sleep doesn't need effort. It needs consistency. Someone you know needs this, share it. The sound will begin now. You can close your eyes. Nothing else is required.